Oh, you need a screwdriver?
Yeah.
Here you go.
Thank you. Let me get my needle.
What are you working on?
I'm just working on my truck.
You are?
Yeah.
You got a roll around creeper there you're working on?
Yeah. I need scissors.
Oh, here's scissors.
I need to cut this thing.
Can I see the creeper you got there?
Yeah. What?
Let me see the creeper. Hop up. Let me check out what kind of brain creeper you got there. Oh, that's a good one, huh?
Yeah.
Hall master. Okay.
Yeah, I need to cut this thing.
Oh, okay.
Okay?
Yep.
Close your eyes.
Okay, I'm closing my eyes.
Okay. Let me have that. Let me have something.
Okay.
What is it?
It's another screwdriver.
Okay. Do I have to run?
I'll get it. You need a hammer?
Yeah.
Okay, here's a hammer.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
I need to roll out of here.
Okay. Did you get it done?
No. I didn't get it done yet. I just need my protective glasses.
Your protective glasses?
Let me put this right where it was, okay? Where was this thing?
I don't know.
This bumpy thing was?
Uh-huh.
Okay. Yep. Yummy? Have my glasses.
Here you go.
Okay.
You can use these.
Pretending. I'm pretending.
Oh, you don't really want to put them on?
Why do I gotta really put them on? I'm just pretending.
Oh, okay. Well, you can just pretend then.
I put them on. Now I gotta put all my safety stuff on.
Where did you come up with this stuff?
No,
It's a nice creeper. Good old hall master.
Yeah, I didn't need to get on this, and then you have all the tools. Daddy,
Oh, baby.
let me get something. You remember, Daddy, you remember that basket that has all that is filled with the toys?
Uh-huh.